Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, sharing with you today this brand new Range Rover Sport, available here in the sporty P530 trim, first edition, powered by a punchy 4.4 litre V8 engine and painted in Firenze red with contrasting black roof. This car is definitely guaranteed to turn heads and features the likes of full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as large 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels. In the rear, stylishly positioned LED taillights will give your car a distinctive look at night. But that's not all. The contrasting black roof will further offer the joys of a sliding panoramic sunroof, and there's also keyless entry and power-operated tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area. It also offers 40-20-40 folding split seats, and inside the cabin, part ebony and light oyster upholstery will really grace the cabin with seating for 3, as well as independent 2-zone climate control. A quick glimpse in the front will continue the stylish and premium look, with front bucket sport seats offering 22-way adjustment with heated, ventilated, massage and memory function. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel, which operates the IDD interactive driver display. Additionally, you will benefit from head-up display HUD functionality, and in the center of the console, 13-inch PV Pro infotainment touchscreen is an absolute joy to use. It features 2 types of menus and comes packed with clever features such as built-in sat-nav with live traffic updates, as well as FM and DAB digital radio reception. The seats, as I mentioned earlier, offer massage functionality with 5-stage setting, as well as heating and cooling depending on what you're looking for. Easy to use climate control systems can be operated thanks to the large tiles when on the move, and also dynamic drive functionality will allow you to optimize the feel of this Range Rover Sport. Ambient cabin lighting will allow you to set the color to suit your mood, and it really stands out when traveling at night. And additionally, to help you park, 3D surround camera will offer visibility all around, with near side parking as well to help you avoid scratching your alloys. Auto dimming rearview mirror also features a built-in camera functionality to help you park, and overhead easy controls will operate the sliding panoramic sunroof.